Welcome to sunny Florida. I'm Anthony Scaramouche with Coldwell Banker Paradise, bringing you warm greetings from the Sunshine State. I'm here at 107 12th Avenue in Indialantic, Florida, known for the small town between the Indian River and walking distance to the Atlantic Ocean. This beautiful Key West style townhome was built in 2016. It features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, an oversized 2-car garage, brick pavers for the driveway, entry, and the patio area. Come on in and let me show you more. The highly desirable open floor plan features high ceilings, crown molding, impact windows, hand-scraped hardwood floors throughout. The luxury kitchen features Cambria Quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, white cabinetry from ceiling to floor, and the owners had additional cabinets built in here for extra storage. There's also room under the stairs. This combined living and dining room area also features a powder room downstairs. But let's go on out to the patio. Here we have 9-foot French doors that lead out to this enclosed patio area with its own fence, brick pavers, and a retractable awning. The second level includes 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a full-size laundry room. So follow me upstairs. This split plan features the master suite on the north side of the house with plenty of natural lighting. In the luxurious bathroom, you have dual vanities, a private water closet, and a huge walk-in shower with dual shower heads. I would be remiss if I didn't mention the huge walk-in closet off the master suite. On the south side of the home, we have a full bathroom, tub and shower, 2 bedrooms. This particular bedroom over here has beautiful natural lighting and it's overlooking the patio area. Off the bedrooms, you have a laundry room with a full-size washer and dryer, which is really important to me, and the convenience of being upstairs. I want to thank you for watching my video. Be sure to click on the like button and the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell so you're alerted of my next video. Thank you.